pinnacle of automotive opulence has just received its most monumental mid-cycle evolution yet, freshly landing for the 2027 model year with a staggering 2,700 newly engineered components. This is the all-new 2027 Mercedes-Maybach S580. While standard luxury cars merely transport you, this handcrafted masterpiece acts as a mobile five-star palace designed to completely humiliate traditional land yachts. Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are breaking down its updated, highly efficient 530 horsepower mild hybrid V8, the breathtaking pillar-to-pillar superscreen dashboard, and why it beats its $500,000 British rivals at the ultra-luxury game. Visually, the 2027 Maybach S580 demands absolute reverence on the asphalt. It stretches an immense 7.1 inches longer in wheelbase compared to a standard long wheelbase S-Class, dedicating every single millimeter of that extra space to rear seat legroom. Up front, you are greeted by an imposing chrome radiator grille that is 20% larger than its predecessor, beautifully framed by an illuminated surround and unique twin-star matrix headlamps laced with delicate rose gold trim. Opt for the signature manufactured two-tone paint scheme, and you get a body-taped, pinstriped, and entirely hand-sprayed by master artisans in a process that takes 5 full working days. Under the hood, Mercedes has completely swapped out the powertrain, introducing a heavily re-engineered 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged flat-plane crankshaft V8 paired with 48-volt mild hybrid EQ boost technology. This updated power plant punches out a commanding 530 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, a substantial jump of 34 horses over the outgoing model, launching this 5,300-pound sanctuary from 0 to 60 metri in a sports car rivaling 3.9 seconds. Power is deployed via a 9-speed automatic and standard 4MATIC all-wheel drive. Ride comfort is entirely unmatched, utilizing predictive airmatic suspension that reads Car2X data transmitted from vehicles ahead to adjust dampening before you ever hit a pothole. With its official market arrival locked in for later this year, the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach S580 sets an entirely new benchmark for elite travel, ringing in with an estimated base price around $220,000. It completely undercuts automotive royalty like the Rolls-Royce Ghost or Bentley Flying Spur by over $100,000 while offering significantly more advanced, leading-edge technology. Would you choose to be chauffeured in this 530 horsepower high-tech palace over its ultra-luxury British rivals? Let us know down below. Hit that subscribe button for DRX Automobi